Healthy eating made simple. Easy meal prep tips. If you've ever wanted to eat healthier but felt overwhelmed by cooking every day, stay with me until the end. I'll show you simple meal prep tips that save time, reduce stress, and help you stick to healthy eating in 2026. Let's make healthy eating simple. Tip 1. Plan your week in advance. Take 10 to 15 minutes to decide your meals for the week. Pick 3 to 4 main recipes and repeat ingredients to save money and reduce waste. Tip 2. Prep ingredients, not full meals. Chop vegetables, cook grains, and portion proteins in advance. This way, assembling meals is fast and easy. Tip 3. Use versatile ingredients. Items like chicken, beans, quinoa, and frozen vegetables can be used in multiple meals. This keeps your menu exciting without extra effort. Tip 4. Portion into containers. Invest in BPA-free containers. Pre-portion your meals for grab-and-go convenience and portion control. Tip 5. Keep healthy snacks. Ready-cut, fruit, nuts, or yogurt cups can save you from unhealthy cravings between meals. Tip 6. Stay flexible. Meal prep is about convenience, not perfection. Swap ingredients or meals as needed. Consistency matters more than rigid plans. If these tips helped you, subscribe, like, and share this video so more people can simplify their healthy eating too. And if you want to protect your health, income, and family while building better habits, call Klinger Insurance Group today at 301-428-4935. Because a healthy life is even stronger when it's